Got it all took apart now. Tubes, no more tubes. This thing has so many bolts, man. Like, so many screws and bolts and stuff. Solid tires. Yeah. Just waiting for the water to boil now. Got that water going. That's the only way you get them on. Unless you got a tire machine. Yeah. That's it. It's my little baby. I ain't had to worry about that. Come with solid tires, but yeah. This scooter's great as long as they don't send you no lemon. My girl bought the scooter brand new and it's been messed up the whole time. Like, it won't go up no kind of hills. And it's like almost $400 scooter. That's like crazy. This $240 and goes almost as fast as this, and mine will go up a hill. It's crazy, but yeah, you gotta be careful.